How to fix microphone not working on Telegram in iPhone 12. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly open App Store. In App Store, search here Telegram. Now here you can check your Telegram update. If your Telegram have any update, then update your Telegram. After update your Telegram, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings. In settings, click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and open Telegram. Now here you can offload your Telegram app and reinstall it. Now click on reinstall app. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.